Good afternoon, folks. How we doing today? I did just do a video about how it's snowing here on the Outer Banks. Then I figured I'd give you guys the drive too. Hope everybody's having a great day out there so far. Today is Wednesday, and the snow just started about an hour and a half ago. Blue Water let me off a little early because they know I got this long drive. So I'm just gonna put together my drive for you guys if you're interested, because I go through Elizabeth City and other surrounding areas that are expected to get hit really hard. So first, I just wanted to show you guys the beach road here. Just got into Kitty Hawk. Well, almost. Here in a couple more streets. And you can see the snow build up in just an hour and a half. So I'm also doing this because I am not 100% sure if I'll be able to make it out here tomorrow because of the roads. But if I have the opportunity, I definitely will be out here filming the frozen OBX, or as we like to call it, Snow BX. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. We're just going on a little cruise. You're welcome to sit in the passenger seat here and watch along, because this is a very rare thing for us. Especially now, it's happened twice this year. It's usually years in between us getting any snow here on the island. But today we're in luck. And I'm also in luck because I thought I was gonna have to go work 13 to 14 hour shift. And I only went up there, I think I was there for, let's see here, 5 hours. I was there from 9 a.m. till 2. And the manager just came up and said, hey, you know you got a long drive, why don't you go ahead and skedaddle. So that's exactly what I did. Without hesitation, I grabbed all my stuff and I was out the door quicker than they could tell me no. I'm gonna get on the highway here in just a minute. Probably skip all the boring parts like Currituck and whatnot and just show you the not boring stuff. Sorry, couldn't find a word on that one. And I'm also contemplating stopping at probably my worst hated place in America is Walmart, because I think they'll have a cheap pair of boots so that I can enjoy some snow time with my family tomorrow. Just kidding, Walmart's not that bad. I just choose not to go there that often. But this video is not about Walmart. We're talking about the Outer Banks here. We're talking about Snow BX. Honestly, our Walmart probably doesn't even have boots. That's how often I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's pretty to look at, but not fun to deal with. And I'm sure most of you could agree to that. And most of us out here, we enjoy it for one day and one day only, and then we're asking the sun to come out and melt it all down. We are people of the sun around these parts. The land of tans. Alright. It's enough of the corny Drew. was actually surprised in just those few hours that we were open at Blue Water before they made the call. We actually got a little busy. I was actually really surprised. Normally wouldn't think anybody would go out in this, but I think that people here on the Outer Banks view snow days just like hurricanes. It's a party. And if you look back at my last video, I took y'all to the beach on that one, and I care to not go back on this one. I love the beach with all my heart. Today is not the day. That wind will have you thinking about life choices real quick. I know it's time to go when I can't feel my face. It was pretty though. Snow on the sand is always pretty. I'm also wondering if the sound has froze over yet. So we're gonna go check that out when we come up here to the Wright Memorial Bridge. Yeah, when it gets dark out here, I imagine this road is going to be full of ice. Although they did come through and salt the roads. Not much traffic out. I see everybody's in the house now. I'm taking it slow. Speed limit's 50, I'm going 40. Gotta slow down right here anyway, even though school's out. Got the school zone flashers here. Hope everybody's having a great day out there so far. Actually, when I started this video, I realized that I haven't done a road video in a while. And for those of you who've been following along since the beginning of my channel, it's kind of crazy because that's all I used to do. I used to just pretty much just do the roads of the Outer Banks. So my first 20 to 30 videos or so are probably mostly just that, just cruising through the highways and side streets and whatnot. And then after some time, I finally started getting out and taking you guys along with me to the beach, because I was already going there anyway, and I was like, why not? Why wouldn't I take my people that are on the Outer Banks channel to the beach? The most important part of the location. All right, Wright Memorial Bridge. I'm not going to bore you with the whole bridge because I don't think you can see anything. Looks like the water's still... Ooh, I just slid, guys. Wowzers. Be careful. Oh. And on that note, I'm going to cut the camera off. That was a quick adrenaline rush there. I just kind of slid on the bridge. I will turn the camera back on when it's safer. All right, just got off the bridge. Had a little scary second there. It was like there was one patch of ice right there, and it made me skirted me into the other lane. Luckily, traffic is light. I always thank the traffic gods for looking out for me. I've been in a serious wreck or two in my life, and I don't care to do that again. So yeah, now we're in Currituck. We're in the 45-mile-an-hour zone, which is what you hit right when you come off. Which is fine by me, taking it slow. Probably gonna go 45 the whole way, to be honest with you. The roads really aren't that bad, but I'm just playing it safe. I don't like to play with my life, you know. And inland is definitely gonna get it way more than us, so we're gonna see more as we travel. You guys know I got a long haul here, so we're only about 30 minutes into the drive. I still got another hour and a half to go. For those of you that are wondering where that is, you can look it up on the map. I currently am residing in Gates County, past Elizabeth City, past Edenton, and about 10 minutes from Suffolk, Virginia. So I can basically take the back roads to Suffolk. And I've also mentioned before that that is a temporary, I had to temporarily move. But I will be back soon. Have plans on coming right back to the beach, probably at the end of this year. I was hoping for the springtime so I could live on the beach in the summer, but that's okay. I travel through it 4 to 5 days a week to go to work, and I know all those roads like the back of my hand, so plus, now that I have you guys and everybody, and I've built this channel, I couldn't see myself going anywhere else, at least not now. Don't want to move out to Virginia Beach or anything and start a new YouTube channel, call it The Real Virginia Beach. I'm just kidding, guys. I am just kidding. Outer Banks will always be my home. And yeah, so next on the roster, I'm going to take you guys to Elizabeth City. So check back in with you when we get closer to there. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We are in the deeper parts of Currituck. About to come up on Coin Jock here in a minute. Last bridge that I'm gonna have to take to, except for the small little Elizabeth City bridge. But yeah, things started getting a little sketchier around here. The snow is coming on hard now. Check back in with you when we get the shortcut. Uh-oh, somebody's having some troubles. Sketchy. stick to my little plan here and just keep taking it nice and slow. Oh, I see now. They are just blocking that side because it's obviously a little hectic in the right lane on the bridge. I don't think anybody was pulled over or anything or needed help. So now we're basically passing by where we do our haunted house at. We're right here in Barco. Yeah, it's heavy. This is definitely already more than we got on the last run. Just a minute away from Shortcut Road, and then next will be Elizabeth City. Alright everybody, we just made that turn on the Shortcut Road. It's probably going to take me forever to get through here because I'm going awfully slow. Just trying to be careful. And it seems like I'm the only person on the road. Wish me luck, guys. I'm not gonna bore you with the whole drive here, but you can see it's coming down extra hard the closer we get to the inland surrounding areas of the OBX. I will check back in with you guys when we get to Elizabeth City. For now, I'm just gonna pay attention to the road. We're in the middle of Shortcut Road now, and my fiance just texted me there's a lot of wrecks in the next county, Camden. So I guess my ride's about to get even sketchier. Okay, sounds like a lot of fun. Like I said, wish me luck. I'm pretty confident. I'm not a panicker, so even if I was sliding, you know, I think I have it in me to not overcorrect. And yeah, I googled how to drive in the snow before I took off. Just kidding. Alright, for real this time, I will catch you in the next county. Alright everybody, we are in Camden County now. Traffic's moving nice and slow. We're only all going about 20 miles an hour. And honestly, I prefer that instead of some jackholes trying to speed past you and whatnot. Everybody is actually respecting Mother Nature right now. So turn it back on when we get to Elizabeth City. I'm only about 5 minutes from there, and then I'll be on the final part of my drive. Alright everybody, we have arrived to Elizabeth City. I think anybody that's made it this far in the video, you are a champion. Taking this snowy ride with me. A little different from our morning beach walks and whatnot. But hey, gotta spice some things up in your life every now and then. I'm just kidding. I'd rather be sunny and beautiful. Not even sure how much you guys can see out of my windshield because I'm starting to accumulate a lot of water. So I'm not sure if I'll even be able to complete this video. Oh, I see. It's because I got a piece of snow, like a hard piece of snow stuck on my windshield wipers right now. That's why it's doing that. Might have to get out and fix that, because it's blocking the whole right side of my windshield here. Extra slow today, guys. I think by the end of this, it's going to be over 3 hours on this drive. Going less than half the speed that I normally would go through the entire drive. So, but like I said, that's exactly the way I want to be driving. And I know these folks out here, just like me, are not used to driving in this. So, slower the better, in my opinion. Yeah, it seems like I am gonna have to get out and fix my windshield wiper. It's got a big clunk of snow sitting up there, and it's really just messing up. It's not doing me any good. Just don't want to. I don't feel like stopping, but it seems necessary at this point because it's really messing up my view here. So as soon as I can, I'm going to find me a little place to pull over and do that. I'm sure you guys don't appreciate it either. Damn windshield wiper. We all just want to see, man. Ooh, that's a sketchy turn. Okay, we are almost out of Elizabeth City. And I'm gonna have to fix that wiper before I get onto the highway up here. Definitely need to see the road. Just have not found a convenient place to do it yet. I think this is the sketchiest drive that I've ever shown you guys on my route to and from the Outer Banks. So bear with me on the windshield, guys. I'm gonna fix it as soon as I can. Alright everybody, almost out of Elizabeth City. Longest drive ever. That's okay. Just picked the ice. Yeah, there was some ice accumulated up on my windshield wipers, so somebody was not happy that I was going slow, so they just zoomed around me. Whatever. Jerk. So, alright guys, I still got, I don't know, about another 30 minutes, 45 with the slow drive, maybe even an hour, who knows. But I'm going to end the video here now. I was interested to see how this 70-mile-an-hour zone was going to go, because that's what I'm getting on right now. Just going to see if anybody was taking it fast, but looks like it's going to be all right. Okay everybody, I thank you so much for taking this whole drive with me. I am almost to safety. So, I hope everybody has an excellent rest of their day. Stay warm, eat plenty of soup, grab yourself a blanket, all that good stuff. See you on the next one.